Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making paint waint ready for action. Open the container, stir steadily for about 2 minutes to reincorporate pigments and binders, and strain to remove lumps. Once done, set up a well-ventilated workspace and place drop cloths. Make sure you have a 1/2-inch nap roller and a 3/8 brush for edges. You're not prepping walls here. You're starting the material correctly, so every subsequent coat behaves predictably and adheres as intended. You should cut in trim and corners first using the angled brush, keeping a 2 to 3 inch wet edge to blend with the roller. Then roll in overlapping W patterns, which spreads paint evenly and prevents lap marks. Apply light, consistent pressure so film thickness stays uniform. Once the first thin coat looks continuous, allow the specified flash time, typically 15 to 30 minutes, so solvents begin to evaporate. Make sure to monitor viscosity and add no more than the recommended. To finish, check the surface under bright light for sags, dust nibs, or orange peel. Sand only the defects with 320 grit, clean with a tack rag, and be ready for the final coat. Apply the last coat using the same motion and overlap you used earlier, but avoid overbrushing, which can thin paint unevenly. If you see orange peel or fish eyes, you likely need minor thinning or contamination removal. Stop, adjust reducer slightly, and clean the surface before recoating to prevent repeating the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.